Welcome to Mom's Kitchen Lessons. Today we're going to make some spinach. We're just going to wilt down this whole container. Actually, this is spinach and kale together, organic. And right now I have chopped some garlic and onion. I have it in a wok because this is a lot of greens, and so it'll just be easier to put it in here instead of in a regular sized frying pan. But I have no oil in here. I don't use oil when I do stuff like this. Now you can see that it's starting to stick to the pan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to deglaze the pan with some mushroom broth. So I'm just letting this get a little bit sort of like toasty. Ooh, it's rolling around because I'm holding my phone and I'm not holding the pan. I need to put the phone on the stand. Hold on. Let me get my stand. So I can... Alright, I will be right back to you.